What up, guys? I'm back for another weather video. I'm sorry it's been a while. I haven't been feeling up to making a video, but now we got severe weather for multiple days. We're in May, so we're in the severe weather month. So we're just gonna get right into it. If you want to leave a like and subscribe, that's really appreciated. But let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go on the NAM 3K model. That's what we're gonna be using, and we're just gonna bump this back a little bit because I was looking at it before. To May 15th, because that's what we're on today. So nothing too much going on right now, just maybe some rain in Kansas, maybe some heavier storms western Kansas, in the central, maybe some showers in Missouri, western Missouri. Nothing going on too much right now. If we bump this up a little bit to 12 p.m. you see those storms in Missouri. Nothing too much to worry about. You start to see more. It's going to be more of a severe weather threat for Texas today. I do believe we will have a severe weather for other places as the week goes on. But for right now, we're going to focus on Texas, I believe, as this becomes a squall line of storms that moves through. So around 12, I would say this starts around, I think, May 16th, but we will have storms moving in about 9 p.m. on May 15th, so we could be potentially talking about severe weather at night, which is not the greatest bet for severe weather. You don't want it at night, so make sure you have a severe weather radio or national weather or NOAA weather radio, sorry, can't talk today, or your phone, put your alerts on. I know those amber alerts are annoying, but you need to have that on during severe weather. As we put this on the motion, storms are going through Texas, maybe western Texas, not too much. I think this will be more for May 16th, but you also see maybe more thunderstorms and maybe severe thunderstorms, probably severe, in western Kansas, almost in central eastern Kansas. As we put this more into motion, we see around 9 a.m. on May 16th, you see, this is where the stuff happens. Over Oklahoma, you see a bunch of just a squall line or a bunch of storms together forming over Oklahoma, and I would say central Oklahoma, down into, I would say, west or northwestern Texas. But as we push this more into, it starts to make that like squall line signature as it goes down into 7 p.m. May 16th. You see that squall line right here. I just zoom in, this right there along, I would say, eastern Texas. As this moves along, we could have a potential for another squall line like that, and you also have severe thunderstorms in western Missouri, maybe some even more thunderstorms in western Kansas, and some straggler showers and thunderstorms in Oklahoma. But I do believe Texas is going to be the main threat for these storms, as if we put this more in motion, it's May 17th now. You have storms over Oklahoma again, and these probably could be severe. And when you get these storms by themselves, they can take over the energy. There's not too much moisture yet, but I do believe by May 20th, May 22nd, that moisture, you want that moisture to go up and through Canada, so, and you have that cold front, and you get the storms to happen on May is most likely for that to happen, for the most tornado outbreaks and stuff like that. So as we put this more into motion, 7 a.m., you see this big squall line moving through Oklahoma, starting to get into Arkansas, western, northwestern Arkansas. As we put this more into motion, another low pressure system starts to move through Oklahoma, and we have another squall line that's going to go through Texas again, probably in the same areas as this already happened. And this one looks like it could be stronger and put some maybe damaging winds out as we move through, I would say, central eastern Texas. So you really got to be prepared for what's happening. And yeah, this could be a derecho. The way this is looking, sorry, getting choked up with my words, but if you see that, how it's doing that, I do believe we could have a derecho. for that. But yeah, that's the severe weather that's going to be happening for this few days. I'm going to show you the outlook right now. If we go here, and we go share screen to this. Oh my gosh, do this. Alright, there we go. So we do this. Alright, so May 15th, that's today. We have a severe weather chance for, let's look at this, for southwestern Kansas with a slight risk, and we have a marginal risk for western Oklahoma, and we have the slight risk goes as down as western Texas into even Colorado. We have a slight risk. So you gotta be weather aware. We got this marginal risk for a lot of other places too. So we have to really keep this in mind. Even a 2% chance of tornadoes in the same area, and the wind a big threat and hail big threat for today. And then let's look on May 16th. Basically the same thing. We have a smaller slight risk for I would say extreme western Oklahoma and to northwestern Texas, and that can even go extreme eastern Colorado. So we do gotta be weather aware for this, and the hail and wind is about the same thing. And then May 17th, which is I think we could have that big squall line that goes through Texas, maybe even Horatio. We have the same slight risk kind of for western Oklahoma, and to north, I would say northeast Texas, and maybe into even Colorado. So we have to be weather aware for this. Make sure you have a no weather radio. Your phone is on, and you be able to get the warnings. And yeah, hope you guys are doing okay. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.